Hey guys, Justin here at SSC Garage. Kind of excited. It's early in the morning. It's a little cold out, so we're inside the my makeshift paint booth here. Got some exciting news that's coming up. After 2.5 years, we finally got it done and got it back. Now our project can move forward. The guy that did the work, his name's Scott. Eventually here in a couple days, I'll get you a description and a link below for him so you can get work done for your race car in the future. But we finally got it done, guys. We got the roll cage in the car, so now our project can all move forward and we can get this thing painted. And I just want to show you guys, he did very good work, kept me in the loop the entire time he did the work. I mean, the quality of the welds, I couldn't ask for a better person to do the job. And I hope you guys, need any work, you guys get it done from him. So what we got to do now, we got to get the dashboard fitted in there. We actually got a bar that we're going to weld from here to there to stiffen everything up after we get the dashboard fitted. We got to refit the seats. These pre-bent cages, they don't always come out the way you intend them to. So I know this is our first one, so I guarantee on the next one we're going to bend our own cage and do our own style in our car, which that'll probably be coming up very shortly. Don't know if we're going to do another EK. We may do a hatch. We don't know yet. But we got a lot of stuff to do here. Really cool colors for the car. Hope you guys like the colors. And please like and subscribe if you guys want to stay tuned to see what this thing's going to turn out to be. And here in a couple days, I'm going to give you guys a preview of the color of the car. We already got the paint for it. So I hope you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe. We got a big project coming in on this car. Got a few buddies that are going to come help us, so we might be able to move along and get it painted pretty quickly, and we can see what it's going to look like and see how this thing is going to turn out. And I hope you guys like it. So please like and subscribe. Here at SSC Garage, we're going to try to get this thing done and keep you guys in the loop. We got a lot of videos to make on this thing, and hopefully we can get it done before the end of the year. Well, end of next year. It won't be the end of this year. It's already too late for that. But hope you guys stay tuned.